Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video. And I want to go and talk about Linea and how to trade it because you're already able to go and trade it. And it is very simple. So I want to take this moment to go and check it out with you. And we jump straight onto the laptop. Now, when it comes to the Linea price, as we see here, you are able to trade it already over on Hyperliquid, which is a decentralized exchange. The link will be down below, but I know a lot of you probably already signed up. If you didn't sign up, make sure to go and sign up or trade. Now, with the Linea trade, what can you do? Well, you can go and simply have a 3x leverage position, which is kind of what I did here, which we have seen it over on my Telegram group, which I have for free. So come and join my Telegram group. It's a trading Telegram group, and it is free to go and enter. The link will be down below. And I did open myself also the WFI position right here, which it is going down a bit of a loss, but I still open it at a 3x pre-market leverage. Now, if you go over here and simply look for Linea token, you will be able to find the same at a 3x max leverage or 2 or 1. Now, the important thing is that you can basically also buy it spot without the leverage. And how do you do? But before we go on, guys, I want to tell you that for today, I do have a discount code for you to go and buy a Breakout account. Breakout is a prop firm, and what it allows you to do, it allows you to trade with a $10,000 account for only $100. So you understand that also if you make 10% of 10,000, it's a $1,000 profit. If you make 10% of $100, it's a $10 profit. So you understand why I do trade with the prop firm and Breakout. And as of today, you do have a percentage discount if you go and sign up with the code down below that you will find in the description. And then you go and utilize, as we see here, we have a $5,000 balance that I did only pay $50 or $60. Now you can also have multiple. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts, depending from 5,000 all the way to 100,000. So make sure to go and check it out. Make sure to go and trade big there because the bull run just started. It's about to start, and you are going to go and need it. But anyway, what is my position for it? As I stand right now, I was recording this video. As you see here, I am short on Ethereum. If you watch this video later, I do believe that Ethereum will reach between the $4,100 and $4,200, and I will be shorting it right there. So this is my position, no financial advisor whatsoever, which, by the way, if you want to go and trade over with me on Weex, Weex is a non-KYC exchange. It's not a proper deposit your fund. You get a 100% deposit bonus as of today. So if you deposit $100, you go and trade for $100 for free that Weex gives you. So go and deposit, trade, and this is my trade until 4,100. I am short over on Ethereum, which I did call also on my group. But to go and trade Hyperliquid, how do you do it? Well, it is very simple. Go over to the Hyperliquid website, the link will be down below, and search for Linea. Now, if you go and open a 3x position, that is leverage, just like I did with WLFI, or also 2x leverage. The one thing that because leverage basically gets you liquidated. So also this position here, for example, over on Ethereum, I have a 30x leverage, which means I get liquidated if the price reaches 4,462. That's when I get liquidated. And the same one goes over here with Linea. If the price here, for example, at a 3x leverage, my liquidation price is 21 cents. The one thing that you can do by simply going and buying spot Linea, which means a 1-to-1, you do not get liquidated, you simply buy it as a spot, is if you go and lower the leverage all the way to 1%. If you do this, it's basically like getting spot. If you do open a 1x position on a perpetual situation, just like here we're doing it with Linea, you do not get liquidated, and you do not have a liquidation price. You start having a liquidation price only if you go to 2x or above. That's when the liquidation price comes in. But if you want to trade at a 1x, that means that you're basically buying spot, and once spot go into the market, then you're able to go and trade simply as a spot. The website, the Hyperliquid or Weex or Breakout, any platform, Binance, whichever one you want to use, once it goes spot or the spot goes live, this is the price that the spot will reach. So you see here the futures one, if it goes spot at 10 cents, this one will go automatically to 10 cents. And that is one way that you can go and basically position yourself now if you think that the launch will be at a higher spot. Of course, you can also do that with features. And if you go and do between 2 and 3x, just know that you could get liquidated from it. So this is very important that you do not go and do it. And it's just my suggestion. However, I personally did. I trade future, as we see here, with the WLFI token over on Hyperliquid. I trade Ethereum over here with futures over on Weex, also on Breakout. This evaluation account you can trade all the way up to 5x leverage. So that is what you do it, but you can also do it with a spot situation over here on Hyperliquid. If you bring this one to 1x, you do not get liquidated. So I hope this video helped you. I hope you did understand a little bit more how it works and how to trade Linea and the token. So be careful out there. As I said, my prediction for the market is as it stands at the beginning of the video. I do think we're going to have a drawdown about 4,100, 4,200. And then we're going to see a skyrocketing of the price and all the alt season, Bitcoin new all-time high, Ethereum will reach new all-time high. That's what I do believe. So with that said, thank you for watching and I see you all in the next one. Ciao, guys.